welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve this top knot bun. In my last video, I did this low bun for long hair, and one of you guys requested that I do a top knot bun, and I thought to myself, I have another video in mind to go up this Sunday, but if you request a video and you want me to do it and you want to see it, I will do it. I will film it and I will upload it for you guys. I do these videos for you so you guys can watch it, have fun, have a laugh, learn a little bit about makeup tutorials, if you will. And honestly, I'm so passionate about helping, so it's me. So anyways, I actually had two top knot buns in mind. One is, I would say, over than 5 minutes, and the second one is less than 5 minutes. So that one's just like, bam, get it done, you know? With that being said, let's start. Another thing is that I don't know if I'm loud or if I'm whispering, because yesterday and this morning I had my earphones on and I was listening to music at full blast, and I feel like I fucked up the inside of my ear because I can't seem to find my balance, and so I hear like this echo of me talking, you know? Like, you know when like you're in a pool or you're in the water and the water gets inside your ear and you can like hear like your own echo? Well, that's me, but not with water, but like it's just because I was listening to music so loud. So I apologize if I'm screaming or if I'm whispering at times. I can't seem to like get my shit together right now. The first thing that you're going to do is brush your hair, take away all the knots. I'm just going to be using a normal comb that I use. What I do to get the bun to the top of my head is I'm just going to flip over like so and brush my hair back this way. And I'm gonna grab all my hair towards the front to a point where I want it to be at. So let's say that I want it like right here, like that. And with that same comb, I'm going to brush all my hair towards the front, but also grabbing it with my hand so the hair doesn't go anywhere. So right now I'm just going to focus on the back of my hair so it doesn't look so lumpy. You can use gel to lay down your hair, but I'm just going to use some hairspray, and the hairspray that I'm going to be using is this So Gorgeous Volumizing Shaping Spray. I'm going to spray that all over the back of my hair. This thing can only, oh, okay. And with the brush that has a lot of bristles, you're just going to smoothly brush it. And it's going to give it like that sleek, smoothing hair look. Now that I have that, I'm going to go work with the front side, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to go in with the normal brush, pull my hair back, hold it in with a ponytail, and again with the hairspray, I'm just going to, and with that bristle brush, I'm going to do the exact same thing. Get that to look really smooth. Oh, that kind of like picked up my eyebrows, like. And then you're gonna go in with a tie and just tie that up. And like this. Whoa. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a little piece from right in the front. And with that piece, you're going to go all over the ponytail right here. I'm just gonna go round and round. And this little piece right here, I'm going to get a bobby pin and pin it down. Like so. So it stays still. It should kind of look like this. Then I'm going to go in with another section. It could be right side, left side, doesn't really matter. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to go around ponytail like so, and that little piece, I'm going to get another bobby pin and pin it down. Basically, you're going to need as many bobby pins as you want depending on how much hair you have. So I'm going to go around, going the different direction. Okay. Last piece, I'm going to do the exact same thing. And you're done. If you guys noticed, this one did kind of take a bit, so if you don't have time for that, I have another solution. Okay. So I'm just gonna take this all off. Okay, so give me a second. And we're gonna start from right here, kind of like the same routine as my low bun. So what you have to do is twist it, twist your hair. And you're gonna take it in a circle around the ponytail. And the little piece that you see right here, I'm just going to take a bobby pin and pin it down. I prefer this second one because it's much more easier on the go and it's pretty easy to do. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and until then, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!